buying a new car is almost a guarantee that you're going to be in the market for a car loan as well. You're ready with your down payment and may even be prepared for the taxes and license fees. But there are costs associated with the car loan that you may not be expecting, and it's important to be aware of what is legitimate and what isn't. You should know that the vast majority of lenders are honest business people who simply earn a living using the skills and tools their education and experience has granted them. You should also know that lending institutions are regulated by federal and state agencies to protect both lender and borrower from fraud. All this makes getting a car loan a fairly safe proposition. But this doesn't mean you should wander into a car loan agreement unprepared. Like your future new car, your car loan is a product sold by a lending institution. The car loan market is, in itself, a very competitive industry where bargains and sales go on to attract new customers every day. Since lenders are competing for your business, it's very possible to get a good deal on financing for a new car. But there's always a chance you could get shafted by entering into the wrong car loan agreement. Applying for a car loan is a document-heavy process, and it's easy to get overwhelmed, not only by the quantity of paperwork, but the terminology involved. Being tempted to blow through all that paperwork and sign on the dotted line can lead to some serious consequences. If you were drawn in by very low interest rates, you might find that those rates go up at the end of the first year of the loan. If the lender offered to pay off what you owed on your previous car, you'll quickly discover that what you owed was added into the new loan, and you'll be paying interest on that as well. And you may have been caught off guard by offers of no payments for the first year of the loan, only to discover that the term of the loan is 7 years. More often than not, the traps you might run across in a car loan agreement are traps you've set for yourself by simply not knowing what you are getting into. Do some serious shopping when you're looking for financing on a new car. Read the fine print in all your loan papers to avoid any nasty surprises down the road. When things go wrong for you, you can't claim ignorance. So know what you're buying ahead of time to guarantee that your car loan is the right loan for you. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.